Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. I wanted to jump on here and talk about a few things really quickly. I am grading your assignment from yesterday, your conversation partners activity, and there's a couple things I wanted to stop and talk about. And so um, let's look at this. I have this pulled up here on the screen, obviously. You guys were to say these two conversations out loud with someone in your home, if someone was willing. Um, and one of you were partner A, one of you were partner B. You guys had the first conversation and then the second conversation. And then underneath that, you had some questions in English that you needed to answer. I am in the middle of grading these activities and looking at them, and I'm noticing that I think there were some questions as to how to answer these questions. So these three questions down below here, you needed to answer based on the information up here in the conversation, not based on yourself, okay? So for example, number one, it says, what is each partner's name? And then it says, in the dialogue, not in real life. So I am not gonna answer for number one that partner A's name is Mrs. Punzo. I need to come back up to the conversation and use my Spanish to find out what that person's name was. So if I don't know how to say my name is, that is what I need to figure out. I need to figure out how to say my name is in Spanish because that's where I'm going to find the answer right after that in the conversation. So if I go back to my list, I know that to say my name is would be me llamo. So I'm going to go to the conversation, figure out where each person says me llamo, and then whatever comes after that is going to be my answer. So for partner A, I'm going to come up here and I need to figure out where they say me llamo. So obviously right here, I'll highlight it. Partner A says me llamo Sara. So the answer for number one would be Sara, and then I've got to come over to the partner B side and find out what their name is. So you shouldn't be answering for yourself with these questions. You need to use your Spanish vocabulary and go back and find out what these people said. If you guys just answer based on yourselves, like if I just said, number one, my name is Mrs. Punzo, number two, I'm from St. Joseph, that's not using any Spanish. You need to practice your Spanish and go back up and answer based on these conversations, based on these pretend people up here. So I am, like I said, in the process of grading these. I'm not finished yet, but please keep an eye on your grade and whether you get a complete or incomplete. I have made the grade section available in Canvas. It should be one of the tabs on the left-hand side that you can choose from now. Please go back and look at this assignment and see how you did. If you need to make changes or corrections, I'm making comments on there for you. So please keep an eye on that. If you need to go back and change these, please do so. Please go back, take a second look at them if you didn't answer correctly and resubmit. Keep in mind you guys have your two Chatterpix assignments that are coming up due. And then on Monday, you guys know we don't have anything new posted, so please use that day as a catch-up day if need be. I would really like for you guys to wrap up your Chatterpix assignment and making corrections on this one by the end of the day on Monday, because on Tuesday we're going to be starting French, and I would really like to be able to start fresh on Tuesday with French. So just wanted to pass those things on to you guys. If you have any questions, as always, please let me know. And I hope you guys have a great weekend.